Hello, Weekend Crafter. Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and today I'm mixing some happy Christmas colors. I have a lot of gifts to make, so I need to mix a lot of colors. This weekend, we're making speckled pink, nearly peach, candy red, calico green, and butter yellow. For speckled pink, you will need dusty rose, white, and gray granite clay. I'm planning to make this color into my base slab, so I wanted to add that gray granite for texture. Get 1 part dusty rose or its equivalent color, half part white, and 1/4 part gray granite. One tip that I can share with you when mixing colors is to add your colors one color at a time. First, condition the dusty rose. Then condition the white and combine the two colors. Finally, combine the third color. Definitely take time to condition all the three colors until the texture of the gray granite is evenly distributed and not lumped only in certain areas. For the nearly peach color, I combined ballerina pink, white, and sunflower yellow. Cut 1 part of ballerina pink, 1 part of white, and a sliver of sunflower yellow or its equivalent. First, condition the pink clay. Once it is conditioned, add the white clay until fully combined. And for the final touch, we will add a sliver of yellow. This touch of yellow is actually what makes that peachy color. For this candy red color, you will need dusty rose and cadmium red or any of its equivalent red colors. Cut 1 part cadmium red and 1 part dusty rose. First, condition the dusty rose clay. Next, condition the red clay. Normally, I don't put my entire red clay in the mix because red is such a strong color. But because the color that we want to end up with is still red, I'm just going to add everything together. Once combined, you should have this bright and happy color. Now to soften the red a bit, I added 1/4 part of translucent clay. The ending color is almost fuchsia. We're done with all our pink hues. Now we're moving on to the other colors. We're going to make calico green first. To make calico green, you will need a light turquoise color and some white. Get half part of the light turquoise color and 1 part white. Mix these two together until fully incorporated. By the way, I realized how dirty my pasta machine is, but lately, no amount of cleaning could remove all those stuck clay, which makes me wonder if there's something really wrong with my machine and if it's time to replace it. Comment down below if you've experienced this, where you just constantly clean your machine and it continues to get very dirty. And what solution have you come up with? Now that all the colors have combined, we have this calico green color. And for the last color, which is butter yellow, you will need 1 part white and about 1/8 part of the sunflower yellow. And then, just to balance the color, I added a sliver of the nearly peach color. The color change is very slight, but it really does help in combining the colors together. If you want to see more color mixing videos, please let me know down below. And if you haven't yet, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. Thank you for sticking around and have a crafty weekend. Bye!